Hello and welcome. I am Otis Landerholm. I'm the founding attorney here at Landerholm Immigration A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. Today I want to talk about the citizenship process, all right? So first step obviously is to go through a consultation with an attorney who's good, who knows the law, who you trust. Feel free to contact my office. We love doing this type of case, all right? So that's the first step, and you want to do that because there can be risks in filing for citizenship. We've got videos about that. Please watch them, all right? But once you've determined that, yes, you want to apply for citizenship, let's talk about what the process involves. First of all, there's a big form, all right? The form is called the N-400. There's a lot of good information online about how to fill out the N-400. In our office, we're very, very thorough about exactly how to fill out each part of the case. Every case is different, and there will be questions as to how to fill out which piece of that process in your specific situation. So if you have questions about that, please feel free to contact our office. But again, there are resources about that online, so you can check that as well. You want to fill out the N-400, and you want to do it very carefully. You want to attach all the information, the proof about your good moral character and about your presence in the United States and things like that, that they ask. If you have any criminal record, things like that, you have to attach addendums related to that with your case, all right? We always submit the N-400 along with a G-28 form that says that we are the attorney of record on your case. We send the filing out, all right? Step one really is the filing. And we submit the initial filing for citizenship along with the filing fees off to USCIS, and that starts the process, all right? After that, you're typically sent a request. First, you're sent receipt notices, and then a request to go get your biometrics done, all right? The biometrics is pretty simple. They take your photograph, they take your fingerprints, all right? And then after that is the long wait, and it's just a long, slow waiting game. Right now it's taking about 15 months in total. I'm filming this in San Francisco, in the San Francisco Bay Area rather, in approximately June of 2019. It'll be up about a week or so after I film this, and it's taking about 15 months in our area, so a year and 3 months. All right, and so you want to be prepared for the long wait, and then eventually, after all that wait, you'll be called in for an interview. At the interview, first of all, you want to prepare for that interview. You want to go back over your N-400, make sure all the information is accurate. If you've moved, if there's any changes that need to be updated in that form, make sure you're ready to explain that, all right? You can have, and you should have, a lawyer representing you in your interview. You will take the tests during that interview, which that's a U.S. Civics test. It's an English test because you have to be able to speak at least a basic level of English, unless you qualify for certain exceptions, which I'm not going to go into right here. And there's an English writing test, all right? So you take your tests, you answer all the questions about your form and explain your eligibility. The officer will ask you questions to make sure that the form was filled out properly and to make sure that you're eligible. And they'll go over any red flags that may be there in your case. And then they will typically conclude the interview. They'll mail you a decision afterwards. If you pass the test and if you pass the interview, you'll be sent in the mail an oath ceremony. You are not a U.S. citizen until after you've been sworn in as one. And so the final step of the process is to go for your oath ceremony. And then at that time, you are officially a U.S. citizen. You're sworn in as a U.S. citizen, and you can apply for your U.S. passport. That is the full process. Hope this was helpful. If it was, please subscribe to our channel. I'm Otis Landerholm, founding attorney here at Landerholm Immigration A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. Thank you so much for watching.